Hello, plant enthusiasts. In this video, we are going to tell you everything about Alocasia macrorrhiza plants.
Florida Sweetheart Caladium, a gorgeous foliage plant for tropical charm. The Florida Sweetheart Caladium bicolor Florida Sweetheart, is a stunning foliage plant that adds a touch of tropical charm to any indoor or outdoor space. With its vibrant and heart-shaped leaves, this plant is highly sought after for its decorative appeal. In this article, we will explore the characteristics of the Florida Sweetheart Caladium and provide comprehensive guidelines for its maintenance. Plant characteristics. The Florida Sweetheart Caladium belongs to the Araceae family and is native to the tropical regions of South America. It is a perennial plant that displays large, arrowhead-shaped leaves. The leaves showcase a striking color combination of white, pink, and green. The prominent veining and speckled patterns on the leaves further enhance its visual appeal. The Florida Sweetheart Caladium typically reaches a height of around 12 to 24 inches, 30 to 60 centimeters, making it an ideal choice for container gardening or as a border plant. 1. Light and temperature requirements. When it comes to lighting conditions, the Florida Sweetheart Caladium thrives in bright, indirect light. It prefers filtered sunlight or partial shade. Direct sunlight can scorch the delicate leaves, so it's important to provide some shade or protect it from intense sunlight. As for temperature, this tropical plant prefers warm temperatures ranging between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. It cannot tolerate frost or temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit 13 degrees Celsius, so it's best suited for USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11. 2. Watering and humidity. Proper watering is crucial for maintaining the health and vibrancy of the Florida Sweetheart Caladium. It requires consistently moist soil but not waterlogged conditions. Allow the top inch, 2.5 centimeters, of the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause the leaves to wilt and lose their luster. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid letting the plant sit in standing water. The Florida Sweetheart Caladium thrives in high humidity, mimicking its native tropical habitat. To increase humidity levels, you can use a humidifier or place the plant on a tray filled with water and pebbles. Regular misting of the leaves also helps to create a humid microclimate around the plant. Aim for a humidity level of around 60% for optimal growth and foliage health. 3. Soil and fertilization. The Florida Sweetheart Caladium prefers well-draining, fertile soil. A mixture of peat moss, perlite, and regular potting soil provides an ideal growing medium. This type of soil retains some moisture while allowing excess water to drain away, preventing waterlogged conditions. During the active growing season, which typically spans from spring to early fall, it's beneficial to fertilize the Florida Sweetheart Caladium every 2 to 4 weeks. Choose a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer with a nitrogen-phosphorus-potassium (NPK) ratio of 20-20-20 or similar. Dilute the fertilizer to half the recommended strength to avoid over-fertilization. Reduce fertilization during the dormant period in late fall and winter. 4. Pruning and dormancy. Pruning the Florida Sweetheart Caladium is primarily done for aesthetic purposes or to remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts near the base of the stem. Regular pruning helps maintain a tidy appearance and encourages new growth. It's important to note that the Florida Sweetheart Caladium enters a period of dormancy during the late fall and winter months. During this time, the leaves naturally die back, and the plant goes into a resting phase. Reduce watering and cease fertilization during this period. To protect the tubers from cold temperatures, you can lift them from the ground and store them in a cool, dry place until the next growing season. 5. Common issues and pests. The Florida Sweetheart Caladium is generally a hardy plant but can face a few challenges. Some common issues include Leaf discoloration. If the leaves turn yellow or develop brown spots, it may indicate improper watering practices or exposure to direct sunlight. Adjust the watering schedule and provide partial shade to alleviate these issues. Pest infestations. Common pests that can affect the Florida sweetheart caladium include spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Regularly inspect the leaves for any signs of pests and treat them promptly with an appropriate insecticidal soap or neem oil. In conclusion, the Florida sweetheart caladium is a stunning foliage plant that adds a touch of tropical elegance to any space. By providing it with the right conditions, including bright indirect light, consistent moisture, and high humidity, you can enjoy its vibrant colors and attractive leaves year-round. Remember to adjust watering and care practices during the dormant period, and address any issues promptly. With proper maintenance, the Florida sweetheart caladium will reward you with its captivating beauty and become a focal point in your garden or indoor plant collection.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.